Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given lines L and M are parallel lines, and lines S and T are parallel lines. And given that the measure of angle 1 is 35 degrees, we're asked to find the measure of angle 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use corresponding angles to find a couple of angles on our way to finding angle 2. So what is a corresponding angle? Well, if you have two lines that are intersecting each other, then they make four angles, which we can call angles A, B, C, and D. It doesn't matter what these angle measurements actually are, we just have to know that there are four of them and they have these relative positions. So for these intersections, you'll notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4 intersections, and they all look something like this, right? So this is A, B, C, and D positions. And so angle 1 would be in position A. So this is position A, and any other line within the realm of these parallel lines, right, where you have L and M parallel and T and S parallel, since T and L are the intersection we're dealing with angle 1, any of these intersections is valid because they're all parallel to either L or T. So any angle in position 1 is going to be, in position A, is going to be equal to angle 1. So we have this intersection right here. This is equal to angle 1. This position, this intersection here, this is the same as angle 1. And in this intersection here, this angle is equal to, that angle is equal to angle 1. And we know, looking at this intersection, from this, since angles 2 and 1 form a straight line, angle 2 plus angle 1 equals 180 degrees. We know the measure of angle 1 is 35 degrees, so angle 2 plus 35 degrees equals 180 degrees. Subtracting 35 degrees from both sides, we get our final answer is angle 2 is 180 minus 35 is 145 degrees, which lines up with answer D.